Hello guys, I would like to inform you that my Facebook account was locked today. I do not know why, but for the last 2 days I've been posting information in Nuer language. So I think the Facebook team thought that I'm a scammer or something, or I was maybe spamming people. So this is so sad. They told me to upload my passport photos, and I did. But this is what they send right now. We will take a look at the document you submitted and get back to you. If we need more help with confirming your name, we'll contact you for additional documentation. I do not know what this is. I don't understand it. So, and if there's anyone that can help me solve this issue, please try to comment below. I have no idea what this is, and I want to fix it very soon. Okay. All my page they are under this name, this Facebook of mine. This is my profile, and now they lock me out, so which is very sad for me, and I feel terrified right now. And I'm thinking that if they could send me message back or whatever they want to do. I try to check other people who are facing the same thing. So what I got there is that nobody's talking to them, and that is my fear because I'm afraid that to lose all my Facebook pages, and I don't know what to do right now. So anyway, guys, this is the information, and if you have anything that you can help me with, please feel free to let me know. Thank you.